welcome to my channel. I'm Emily, the Petite Beauty Blogger, and in today's video I'll be telling you all about my makeup business. So if you don't know, of course I do makeup to all of you guys, but by trade I am a makeup artist. So I do makeup for all occasions for everyone, and as you may know, doing makeup on other people is completely different to doing makeup on your own face. So I am qualified. I've got my little qualification certificate. I like to hang it up on my wall because I'm proud of it. So makeup on other people is completely different. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is because I've just come off doing my first bridal client of the year. Thank you, COVID. So, and I just wanted to explain to you what goes on, because I know hiring a makeup artist can be a bit scary because you're working really close to, you know, each other's faces. So what I do make sure I do is, obviously I always wear a mask, like so. This is just what I made. I always wear it. I never take it off. I just like to keep as masked up as possible. Now what I do have is hand sanitizer. I use this on myself, and I always get my client to use it as well, just so we protect each other. Now, makeup artists should always wash their hands. Anyone that works in beauty, you know, anywhere where you're going to be touching someone's skin, you use hand gel anyway. So I bought this yesterday, or no, the day before yesterday in Superdrug, and it's just a really nice big one. It's really useful. Makeup artists should always be using hand sanitizer anyway, even when there's not a pandemic going on, but even more so now. So, and one thing is brushes. Now, this is my brush belt, and I got this one from Spectrum, if anyone's wondering. It says my brushes are better than yours. I think it's really cute, and a lot of my brushes in here are Spectrum. But of course, after every single use, my brushes do get washed. I make sure I wash them. Makeup artists should be doing that anyway. You should be doing that. I know a lot of people don't. But when it's your business, it's really important, because you don't want to be transferring germs that could cause infections, all sorts. So it's always good to clean your brushes after every use. Makeup artists know that people think we have a glamorous life, but really all we're doing with our lives is washing brushes. That's literally what we do with our entire lives. That's all we do every night, is wash brushes. Now these brushes do get extra sterilized and just cleaned. I've got like a spray, like to stop it from, just to kill some germs, even extra to the brushing, like cleaning. So yeah, so my website, if you want to check out my Makeup by Emily business, is www.petitebeautyblogger.wixsite.com/petitebeautyblogger. Now I know that's a lot. I did have a domain, but as makeup was slowing down, I didn't really want to keep paying to keep it going, because domains can be expensive every year and I didn't really want to pay for it. So, but I will put the link down below in the description box, so you can just click on it. And if you want to check out my Facebook, it's facebook.com/MUA by Emily. And you can check out my Instagram at Petite Beauty Blogger. And as always, I hope you're staying safe and well, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.